Hey, this is Chap Noah. Today we're going to start again on the AI niche website case study. Okay, this is video number 3, how to add security to WordPress website. Okay, this is extremely important when you're setting up your website. Even before you have content, anything on there, really, it's best to set up WordPress security for your WordPress site or site. Okay, so this is our all about dog training. We've been showing you how we've been setting things up. Like I said, we showed you video 1, video 2, and this, like I said, is video 3 now of our AI niche website case study. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to log into our WordPress website. So log into your WordPress website. Then what we're going to do is come right down over here and we're going to click on plugins. Okay, now we're going to click add new. Then right up here we're going to type in Wordfence. I just have it set up already. We're going to click install, activate. Just wait here just a sec. All right, now I already have a code, okay? They're going to ask you to go through this. So what you're going to do is you're going to go, I'll just show you here. You're going to go right here, click on that right there. You're going to go get a free license. And then right here, you're going to say that you just want the free version. So you just click right here, and then you're going to add your email address right here. You're going to say, yes, I want updates. Click this right here and click register. And then they're going to give you a key, okay? I'm just going to back up out of this right here. And I'm going to say I have an existing key because I do. And what we're going to do is we're going to come right over here. Let me go over here real quick so I can get some information right here. All right, so clear that out here. And then we're going to come over here so I can get my email address. It's the email address we have here, so we're going to put that on file. So I'm going to put this right here. We're going to check this box right here. And I'm going to get my code right here. And then all you do is just click that you agree, install license. Okay, now we go to the dashboard here. Click next, click next, click got it. You can close all these out right here. And then what you want to do is, if you want to, I just leave this no thanks. If you want it auto updated, I just click no thanks. You can click yes if you want that. I would do it if I were you. I just have reasons why I do no thanks, just because I like updating certain sites on my own. So we'll just go no thanks. Then you click right up here, click here to configure. Then you're going to download these files just for personal reasons, okay? You don't really need to look at them or anything. And then you click continue, and you close it out. Now everything's set up. Now I'm going to show you something here that's very important that I do. That's not just the standard settings, okay? I change this right here to 10. I change this right here to 10 also. This is basically if they were attacking your website, I only allow them to do it for 10 minutes. And then if they keep wanting to do it, I'm going to block them for 2 months, okay? So just set that saving right there. And now, like I said, if we come back here, the dashboard, you can see everything is set up now. Your site's getting protected. It's in learning mode right now, so you're not going to see anything right here. So it's that simple on setting up security for your WordPress website, okay? So make sure you do this. Like I would say that before you install any other WordPress plugins, that's what I would do. I would install Wordfence. There's a lot of them out there. I've been using Wordfence ever since they started, and I like them the best. A lot of my websites have the premium version, but like I said, just the free version itself works very, very well. So like I said, if you have any other kind of questions or anything on setting this up or other things that I haven't showed you, please make a comment below this video and I'll reply back to you. But like I said, we'll have another video coming soon, video 4, and we're going to teach you a whole bunch of other great stuff that's going to teach you how to make sure you're setting up your AI affiliate niche website, or whatever you want to call it. You don't have to call it an affiliate niche website. It's just a niche website by WordPress that's going to be ran by AI with our powerful WordPress plugin, okay? So, like I said, so what we'll do is we'll come over here just so I can show you here, because I'm going to give you a coupon code below this email that you're going to be able to get our AI version of My Content Creator Pro, which, like I said, if you can see right here, we're going to put this code down here, 47 off. You will save $47 off the top level. Make sure you come over to our site. Make sure you watch this video. Make sure you scroll on our site and see what it's all about. Like I said, we have tons and tons of features here. Let me just come down here real quick. This sales page is long here, but let's just go to the elite version of My Content Creator Pro. Okay. If you come down here, you can see all the features right here. Okay, we have ChatGPT AI article content generator in WordPress blog posts. Okay, watch this video. We'll show you exactly how that gets done. These are all the languages right here, 39 different languages. We have different writing styles. We have writing tones. Okay, then ChatGPT AI article content generator and WordPress blog pages also. Same thing here with English and all that stuff with the languages. And right here, ChatGPT AI bulk article content generator. This will create articles in bulk for you about particular topics that you choose. Watch the videos, like I said, below each one of these because it will explain how they work. And then this next right here, okay, 24/7 automated creation of with ChatGPT AI auto blogging. This is one people love the most, auto blogging with ChatGPT. Watch the video right here and make sure you see how it works. All this is set up super easy for people. We set this up for beginners in mind, okay? Because when you first get started, everything looks like, like a foreign language to you. So, like I said, if you have any kind of questions at all, too, about our plugin, My Content Creator Pro, the elite version, because that's what we're talking about here, come to our support right here and click here. And then you can come over here and submit a ticket, okay? We are here to help you, like I said. And like I said, that's why I wanted to show you today how to set up WordPress protection for your WordPress website. So, like I said, I'll see you in video number 4. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Struggle with WordPress content writing? Discover My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress. Create engaging, SEO-friendly content with ease. Click the link below this video to transform your WordPress experience with My Content Creator Pro, the best content writing plugin for WordPress.